Imagine this, you're sitting on a sun-drenched beach in Bali, sipping a coconut, and suddenly, you remember that investment opportunity back home in Australia. Or maybe, you're a small business owner in Melbourne, waiting for that crucial payment from a client in London. The question buzzing in your mind? Can that money, those hard-earned funds, actually make it into your Westpac account? It sounds simple, right? Just a few clicks, a wire transfer, and boom, money arrives. But the reality of international finance is a tangled web of regulations, exchange rates, and banking protocols. It's a world where a misplaced digit can send your funds into a digital abyss, and where even the most reputable banks must navigate a maze of global financial systems. We've all heard the stories, haven't we? The delayed payments, the hidden fees, the sheer frustration of trying to track down money that seems to have vanished into thin air. It's like trying to send a message in a bottle across the ocean. You hope it arrives, but you're never quite sure. And with Westpac, one of Australia's big four banks, the stakes are even higher. They handle billions of dollars in transactions every day, connecting Australians to the global economy. So, can they, in fact, receive money from overseas? The answer, in short, is yes. Westpac, like most major Australian banks, is equipped to handle international money transfers. They have the infrastructure and the partnerships in place to facilitate these transactions. But, and this is a crucial but, it's not always a straightforward process. The journey of your money from overseas to your Westpac account involves a complex network of correspondent banks, SWIFT codes, and exchange rate fluctuations. Think of it like this, your money doesn't take a direct flight. It hops from bank to bank, each one taking a small cut for their services. This is where those pesky fees come into play. And then there's the exchange rate, a constantly shifting landscape that can drastically impact the final amount you receive. Imagine sending $1,000 only to find that by the time it lands in your account, it's worth significantly less due to unfavorable exchange rates. It's a financial roller coaster, and Westpac, while facilitating the ride, doesn't control the twists and turns. Furthermore, regulations play a massive role. Anti-money laundering and counterterrorism financing laws mean that every international transfer is scrutinized. Banks like Westpac have strict compliance procedures to ensure that funds are legitimate. This can sometimes lead to delays, especially if the transaction is flagged for further investigation. So, while Westpac can receive money from overseas, they also have a duty to ensure that the money is clean and that the transaction aligns with international banking standards. Then you have the specific details like SWIFT codes and account details. A single mistake can result in the transfer being rejected or, worse, sent to the wrong account. Accuracy is paramount. And different countries have different banking systems, which can add further complexity. Understanding the specific requirements for the country you're receiving money from is essential. In essence, receiving money from overseas into your Westpac account is possible, but it requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a clear understanding of the processes involved. It's a journey through a complex financial landscape, where preparation is key. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.